tornado warning. So they dropped the tornado emergency, but we still have a PDS tornado warning.
Alabama has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Jackson County in northeastern Alabama, central Madison County in north central Alabama until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed extremely dangerous tornado was located over University of Alabama in Huntsville.
That's a PDS.
Moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Alabama A&M University, Mooresville, and Huntsville around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Maysville, Princeton, Estate Fork, Pleasant Groves, Trenton, Garth, Rillen, Holly Tree, Brownsboro, and Larkin. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson and Madison.
That's not good. Oh, we got a double header. We got a TOA. There it is.
But I think that might actually be
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 309, effective until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: Blunt, Alabama. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 309 has been issued until
There it is. Tornado Watch.
Wednesday for the following counties: Blunt, Alabama.
We're going to take this one a little bit more seriously as it crosses over Interstate 24. This is the storm